This video walks you through how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. Start by opening the Notion page where you want these databases to appear. This can be an existing dashboard, a project page, or any workspace page where you want to bring separate data sources together. The goal here is to place linked views from different databases on one page so you can see them side by side or stacked in the same area. Once the page is open, click into an empty line and type /linked. From the menu that appears, choose Linked View of Data Source. Notion will then prompt you to select an existing database. Use the search field to find the first database you want to display, then click to insert it onto the page. This creates a linked view, not a new database, so the content stays connected to the original source. After the first linked database is in place, move your cursor below it and create another one the same way. Type /linked again, then select Linked View of Data Source from the menu. When the search window opens, look for the second database you want to include on the page and select it. Make sure you choose the correct existing database before continuing, especially if several databases have similar names. With both linked databases on the page, you can adjust each view so it shows the information you want in the format you want. Open the view options for each database and apply filters if you only want certain entries to appear. You can also change the sorting order, add grouping, or switch the view type. For example, one database might stay in table view while another works better as a board or list. Each linked database can be customized independently, even though both are now displayed on the same page. Next, arrange the databases in the layout that fits your page. You can leave them one below the other if you want a vertical layout, or drag the database blocks into columns to place them side by side. As you move them, watch for the placement guide in Notion so the block lands in the right position. This helps turn the page into a more organized workspace, especially when you are combining information from different areas. If you want to add more databases, repeat the same process again. Click into a new line, type /linked, select Linked View of Data Source, and choose another existing database from the search results. Then customize that view and place it where you want it on the page. You can continue building out the page with as many linked database views as you need, while keeping each one connected to its original source. Your Notion page now shows multiple linked databases together in one view.